SSC Stenographer 2024. Organization Name Staff Selection Commission SSC Post Name Stenographer Adiviti No SSC Stenographer Grade C or D Examination 2024. Notification date the 26th of July 2024 Category SSC Stenographer 2024 Notification Official Website ssc.gov.in. Important dates. The SSC Stenographer 2024 notification is released on the 26th of July 2024 and the online application form can be submitted from the 26th of July to the 24th of August 2024 from the website ssc.gov.in. The SSC Stenographer CBT exam will be held in October-November 2024. The exact dates of the written exam will be notified later. Application fees. The application fee of 100 rupees per has to be paid by the General, EWS and OBC candidates. The candidates belonging to the SC, ST and PWD categories and all female candidates are exempted from the payment of the application fee. The application fee has to be paid in the online mode. Vacancies. A total of 2006 vacancies are advertised under the SSC Stenographer 2024. This year the number of vacancies under the SSC Stenographer 2024 are updated here in the SSC Stenographer 2024 notification on the 26th of July 2024. Age limit. The age limit for the SSC Stenographer Grade C is 18-30 years. The age limit for the SSC Stenographer Grade D is 18-27 years. The cutoff date for the calculation of the age limit is the 1st of August 2024. The age relaxation will be given as per the rules. Qualification. The education qualification for the SSC Stenographer 2024 is the 12th class 10 Jur 2 pass. The candidates who will pass the written exam will be called for the stenography skill test. Selection process. The selection process for the SSC Stenographer includes a computer-based test CBT exam. The candidates who will qualify the CBT exam will be called for the stenography skill test. After that, the document verification and medical examination will be conducted for the successful candidates. Online written exam CBT. Stenography skill test. Document verification DV. Medical examination ME. Exam pattern. The SSC Stenographer 2024 written exam will be held in the computer-based test mode in October-November 2024. The written exam includes 50 questions of reasoning, 50 questions of general awareness, and 100 questions of general English or comprehension. Each question carries 1 mark. The time duration of the exam is 2 hours. There is a negative marking of 1/3 RD, which means that 0.33 marks will be deducted for each wrong answer. Skill test. The candidates who will pass the CBT exam will be called for the stenography test. The pattern of the stenography test is given below. The candidates will be given one dictation for 10 minutes in English or Hindi as opted by the candidates in the online application form at the speed of 100 words W.P.M. for the post of stenographer grade C and 80 W.P.M. for the post of stenographer grade D. The matter will have to be transcribed on a computer. The transcription time is as follows. Post name language time stenographer grade D English 50 mins stenographer grade Hindi 65 mins. Stenographer grade C English 40 months stenographer grade C Hindi 55 mins. How to apply for SSC Stenographer 2024. Follow these steps to apply for the SSC Stenographer Recruitment 2024. Visit the website ssc.gov.in. Then click on the Apply Online button on the home page. If you are already registered with the SSC, then log in using your credentials. If you are not already registered, then complete the SSC one-time registration process and then log in. After login, apply for the SSC Stenographer 2024. Upload the required documents, photographs, and signature. Pay the application fees if required. Submit the SSC Stenographer 2024 application form. Posts equals 2006. Date equals the 26th of July to the 24th of August 2024. Age equals 18 to 30 years. Fees equals SC, ST, PWD and female equals 0, general, EWS and OBC equals 100. Qualifications equals 12th stenography skill test. Current affairs, GK, GK trick और current jobs के लिए like, share और subscribe.